Why should you try eating food raw as part of your detox diet? Are you concerned about your health? Chances are you will say yes, but are you really doing anything about it? If you want to remove those toxins that are collecting in your system, one method you can try is known as the raw food detox diet. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Master Health Media channel. Subscribe, make a comment, hit the bell icon, share, please, and thanks. The raw food detox diet happens to be one of the most popular diets around. This is because while many will only let you lose weight, none of them are specifically designed to help you get rid of these harmful toxins. But why eat raw food when you can cook it? This is because when food is prepared and then cooked, some of the nutrients and vitamins which are also important for the body are lost. What is even more astonishing is the fact that when it is cooked, you changed its natural state. Thus, new chemicals are created and the natural enzymes are destroyed. When you take it out of the pan and put it on your plate, it somehow slows your metabolism and impedes certain primary functions of the body, especially the flushing and detox functions of the organs. If this does not yet convince you that eating raw food is much better than cooked ones, note that the raw food diet boosts your immune system, may help decrease or increase weight, and again, detoxifies your body. Compared to an average meal consisting of animal flesh which normally takes 8 hours to digest, the only thing it gives you is energy to burn what you ate and nothing else. It may a significant change for you to eat food raw when you are used to eating it cooked. This is why the switch should be done gradually, like having a quarter of the food cooked while the remainder is raw. Who knows? You may like to eat raw food that will give you the complete nutritional value found in each one. The detox diet consisting of raw fruits and vegetables only lasts a few days. When it is all over, you can go back to eating other solid foods including fish, chicken and meat. You may even want to mix a few raw dishes, sometimes like sushi, which is also great to eat. Before you start eating raw food, you have to prepare yourself both physically and mentally for what is about to happen next. You can prepare physically by starting an exercise routine and cutting down on certain food and then substituting it with beans, organic fruits and vegetables. Although detox diets are generally safe, it will still be a good idea to consult your doctor because you could be one of those individuals that are not cut out for the program. People who should not try the detox diet in any form include pregnant or nursing mothers, those who have just undergone surgery, and individuals that have been diagnosed with certain medical conditions. If you insist on trying it, make sure that this is being done under medical supervision. Eating food raw may be different, but it is one way to get all the essentials you need to detoxify your system. Will it be challenging? Yes, during the first day, since there is a lot of adjustment involved, but if you are able to stick to it, then you will surely feel good thereafter. Why people go on a detox diet? A detoxification or detox diet is the oldest medical treatment on earth that involves natural process of neutralizing toxins from the body. Toxins and other unnecessary substances are transformed to less harmful compounds and sent out from the body in the form of urine and stools. A detox diet requires you dietary and lifestyle changes which include avoidance of unhealthy substances such as alcohol, tobacco, drugs, rich and fatty foods, refined foods and so much more. A simple detox diet is one that involves taking fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, whole grains which is high in fiber, and other organic foods. During the period of the diet, you are also prohibited to eat bread, baked goods, pasta, animal or dairy products, and nuts. The detox diet helps increase the level of water and fiber in the body, which promotes cleansing of the colon and the rest of the gastrointestinal tract. People detoxify for a healthy and rejuvenated body. A detox diet helps you to clear symptoms, treat disease, and prevent future problems. It is an ideal way to reevaluate your life and enhance vitality. Some use a detox diet for spiritual renewal, to feel more alive, awake, and aware. It inspires a lifestyle free from abuses and addictions such as alcohol and tobacco addiction. Most often body energies are increased through the detox diet, thus making a person steadier and flexible to change both internally and externally. If you want to detoxify just once a year, The best time is during the spring or autumn season. The hardest period during the detox program is the first 2 days. On these days, you might feel symptoms like headaches, fatigue, irritability, mucous congestions, and other body pains. However, according to medical experts, anyone can maintain a regular work schedule during a detox diet. The best day of the week for the detox diet is Friday, as you are expected to rest on the next days. This helps you to feel more relaxed and free from the stress of the work environment or to chemical exposures. It is also best to do a detox diet on this day because you can avoid the temptation of breaking from the program and be with people that can support your decision. We have 5 general detoxification systems composed of gastrointestinal, urinary, respiratory, lymphatic, skin. An individual's lifestyle determines the frequency of detoxification needed by the body. The most common symptoms of toxicity are headache, over-fatigue, backaches, digestive problems, allergies, and sensitivity to chemicals, perfumes, and synthetics. But before undergoing detoxification, it is important to consult your doctor to determine the real cause of the symptoms. The detox diet is also an effective way to treat obesity, as it almost always interconnected with toxicity. Losing weight means reducing body fats and eliminating toxins in the body. However, you need to be extra careful because you might also lose essential nutrients in your body. Physical activity will enhance better weight loss and detoxification. Moreover, detoxification does not only involves the elimination of unnecessary body substances but also spiritual renewal. It is also important that when you undergo a detox diet you are free from pollutions, noise, and stressful routines. It can mean social isolation, but who knows, it might be the best way to put away all the negative energies that pull us down and replace them with positive energies that will enhance our vitality and will bring us back to a healthier body and soul. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Master Health Media channel. Subscribe, make a comment, hit the bell icon, share, please, and thanks.